Alright guys, been a long time since I've vlogged, but guess what this weekend is? I'm trying to find where I'm supposed to look at it in here. Sorry. This weekend is the birthday weekend of Jacob Rumbled. That's me. My birthday day, Kinsey had to work, I worked. I don't really believe in taking a day off of work for your birthday unless you're really going to do something fun. I knew we weren't going to, but this weekend we're going to try to have some fun. Kinsey has some dang surprise for me tonight. All I know is that what she told me so far is we're going to go hiking. It's been raining in Indiana an awful lot. The trails might be a little wet. Might be a little flash flood warnings down there. We're not sure quite yet. Either way, we're going on a drive. We're going to try to do some hiking. We're getting ready though still. Well, Kinsey is. A little bit of bad lighting. There she is. Hey.
It's been a while.
She's a little shy, guys. She's still shy. She's still trying to learn out how to do this here. But so yeah. Just got done pouring down rain here. We're going further south though, so the storm may not be down there. So not much to worry about probably. That's what we're doing so far. All right, Kinsey. So where are we going?
We're going to Clifty Falls.
Clifty Falls. South of Indianapolis, southeast.
Yes.
Do you know what the town is?
Madison.
Town of Madison, Indiana, I believe. Yeah. So there's supposed to be some falls there, pretty falls. Off really. So should be a good time. Should be real good. Alright. A little fun adventure day. It's pouring down rain now. Our wiper just broke. We stopped at a little restroom stop place. Kind of gross inside, but that's okay because it's kind of gross. Beautiful little place. Kinsey's in the car waiting on me. I just want to let you guys know how well our hike is going to be in the rain. Oh God. Oh God.
It does look like a piece of cake.
It looks like a what?
Piece of cake.
Alright, so we found this coffee house we're gonna go try out. It's downtown Madison. A little bit of historical town down here. They really take care of their houses and their buildings, and they really have a lot of shops and markets down here, so it's pretty cool. Kids and I love coffee as usual, so that's what we're planning on. So the coffee shop we went to didn't have lunch. We just missed the lunch. So we're trying to find a place that has lunch. Then if they do, we'll get it. If not, no, we're just gonna go home. Nice little town though, so it's kind of nice to check it out. Anything to say, Kinsey?
We almost got apple pie.
Almost got pie, but Kinsey wouldn't buy me one. Well, we didn't find anything, but we're heading over toward the Ohio River. Nice and big. Anything you want to say, Kinsey?
No. Saha.
Not very many people down here at that time. I have more problems during the day than I do at night. Well, I died. Oh yeah, I have more problems in the daylight than I do at night.
The last clip when I was trying to get a picture of the nice little scenery back there, a guy and a woman was talking about how they have a hard time, you know, people trying to kidnap this lady back here, get her in a van. I don't even know. I don't know why. It's been a long time since I vlogged, so I can't remember the last time we stopped vlogging. What are we doing though, Kinsey?
You'll find out.
This is a part of the night I have no idea what's happening. Kinsey won't tell me anything. We have Mel, our friend in the back. Say hi, Mel.
Hey.
She said hey. So I think we're going up on the north side of Indianapolis where all the cool people hang out at. I'm pretty sure Kinsey's taking me to a Mel stripping class, which is okay with me. I just wish Kinsey would have told me so I could have wore some nice stretchy shorts or pants or something. But I'm assuming that's what we're doing. I'm not completely sure, but I'm pretty positive that's what we're doing. All right, guys, we're here. Dylan, Natalie, Mel, Kinsey, and some random dude that just kind of came with us. Oh, we're going to this place. All right, Mel, let's go. Let's do this.
60-ounce pitcher.
Let's do that.
You can get a
dorm room to show you. Just a crazy dorm room.
hold on.
I think right there.
That one's gonna be rough.
You said it tastes like coffee.
It's like, oh really?
Porter's like infused.
No.
That's really good. I'm trying.
It's like, what's this black stuff? It's the chip.
This looks amazing.
I know, I should have got that.
Did
It's
you
like a
just touch her chip?
I know, I almost did.
We got him on. We got him
Oh
on
no.
film. Tear
He
that
just
apart.
He just stole Nacho.
I didn't do anything.
Alright guys, it's been a wonderful time with friends, with Mackenzie, but I think I'm going to end this vlog because it's getting pretty late. We're going to go to one more stop before the end of the night to celebrate our birthday, and have a wonderful time. So you guys have a wonderful night. Good night. Thanks for watching the vlog. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.